Wiggle. Wiggle. I gotta reach way the hell up there. I can't. If anybody's interested in a close-up of the cabinet doors I built 2-3 years ago. The reason I'm showing you the corners, that's where the seams are. You can see the panels, no cracks. It probably just looks like a white surface to you on the camera, but everything looked perfect. A cabinet like this is designed to hold a ton of weight. There are 6 huge screws in here. I'll show you what they look like. I think these are 3.5ers, just massive. They go right into the studs. You can load this up with 200-300 pounds of china. There's a possibility I put it in low and then moved it up high because of the shape of the chimney. It might be wider at the base. I don't want to do that though, because this is a brick chimney with just a skin coat plaster over it. Make one attempt to bring it out. This lip should come over a little bit, and then I gotta try to clear this lip. If that doesn't happen, I'm gonna figure something else to do. Holy cow. Come on, come on. There you go. You're clear. There we go. Are you coming down? Okay, you came down a little bit. Well, this is the chimney, and one of the reasons it was not the deciding factor though was once this is removed, they will have a huge floor-to-ceiling pantry type cabinet. The main reason for removing this is to install a modern HVAC system. This is right where the trunk line in the basement for the supply is going to go. Basically, I'm standing right above where the furnace is going to go. Hot air goes out this way, cold air is coming in this way, and just really needed to get this out of the basement to open up the floor plan for the future finishing or remodeling of the basement. Well, here's the chimney, chimenea, coming down into the basement. This boiler is getting out of here. 90% or 96% is going in, it will no longer be vented out. It'll be vented out the side of the house. That's how you're going to clear this whole thing out. Whoa. Some insulation, and oh, there's already a brick in the way. Well, I'd hoped to pull some of the bricks out of here. I'll probably have to vacuum this all out, pop this brick out, and I'll be dropping some of the bricks down here and pulling them out through here until I'm at a manageable height where I can safely pull these off one by one in the kitchen and take them out the back door. It's our access hole. Ooh, up we go. So before I pop down into the ceiling, I gotta clean all this debris away. That's just less things that are gonna fall into the kitchen. Any of this would be fun. All right, let's go. I'm to it, but to do it. Long way down. What I don't want to happen is this clay chimney liner to break up, dropping these bricks down and create a clog. Again, I got to get all this debris removed somehow, and it's probably best that it drops right down in there before I open up to the kitchen ceiling. So this board here, there's some here and there, kind of keep everything back. So anything inside of this board is going to fall in. That's a lot right there for the ceiling. This is loud. The ceiling. So this here is not another brick, it's just the wire mesh. You can see I poked some things in there. You can see I poked through. I believe the wire mesh only goes down this far, and there is a layer of plaster, good ½ inch thick, that should start crumbling. I've got a bunch of plywood down on the floor to make sure these bricks don't go through and smash the hardwood floor. There's also ram board underneath the plywood. So I'm just gonna take this slowly, brick by brick. You can see the dust is going down. Hopefully this is gonna work right. I've got a fan in the basement window blowing out. We'll see what the dust does. But I want the dust to go down and out through the basement, not come up and into the kitchen. See that? The whole thing right there is just plaster. So when that brick goes down, it's compressing the air, and then it's got to go somewhere. So that's what all that dust shooting up is. Well, that's about as far as I think I can get before going down into the kitchen. Still got a long ways to go. Got a decent way down the back side here. You can kind of see all the way down into the wall cavities. Dust mask. It ain't easy. It'll go through the metal, but as soon as it touches the plaster, it's toast. What I want to avoid is having to strip this half-inch layer of plaster off just to get to the brick to break up, the brick through the mortar joints. Hopefully it doesn't come to that, but I'm going to just take a couple whacks at it. It's okay if things go a little crazy, but okay, bad. I'm trying to avoid using the mini jackhammer. It just creates a lot of dust. Those 3 whacks right there didn't create hardly any dust, and the chips that it does make are much larger. They're easy to pick up, things like that. But just keep on whacking, right? Go, the brick, yay! First brick out through the kitchen. Whew. Yeah. Bring it on now, baby. Yeah. You know what's interesting is these lower courses here, they're just not popping free at the motor joints like they were the whole way up. It's like I've got to blast the bricks completely apart. Not making things easy. Jeez, I don't even know what the heck the brick is. There's the brick. This one's cracked. Oh, cracks in this one. Yeah, there we go. Whew. Ooh. I can see the basement. Yeah. I did it! It's out. Now we gotta go down to the basement. I probably gotta patch up these holes. How the heck am I going to patch the ceiling, build in complete the wood ceiling? I gotta do some red oak hardwood floor repairs to extend this over. Just scratching the surface of what we got in this whole big project here. And I'm doing it all. The drywall work, the floor work, the ceiling work, building custom cabinets. I'm a truck driver. I got to drive all this stuff to the dump. Got to make my first load in the morning. Whew, a little dusty. Got to keep cleaning though. Hey, if you want a caulk gun shirt, they are very, very tough. As you see, I just removed an entire chimney while wearing it. There will be a link in the description. You can also get one on your hat. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.